Our last transformation of graphs is translation, and translation is a shift or a move. Okay, we're going to have the same deal. It's going to either shift in the x direction or it's going to shift in the y direction. Okay, so we're going to have our whole fx there, and while I have green, let's have it there. What's going to happen is I'm going to have y equals, and what's going to happen is it's going to be x fx plus a. So what's going to happen is whatever my y, remember fx is my y value, whatever my y value is, I'm going to add a. So if y was 0 and that is 2, it will move up 2. And this one will move up 2. And this point will move up 2. So this whole thing will move up 2. And that's where my new line will be. That will be y equals fx plus 2. And we will say there was a upward shifted upwards with a units. If this was negative, it would have moved down. Okay, I'm going to do 2 for the next one because that is shifted upwards a units. Y equals, and what's going to change now, it is the x value is going to change. So remember what I said in my first video, when I have something happening with x, it's going to move in the inverse direction. So the inverse of x minus a is plus a, which means if I have x minus a, it's going to move in the positive direction. Which means that if x was whatever x was here, it will move to in this direction. So the whole graph will move in that direction. So this move here will be a. Let's put another one there. Let's put this blue one there. If I have y equals fx plus a, it's going to move in the opposite direction, which means minus a. So all of these will move in the opposite direction. So the shift is to the left. So this is a shift to the left, and this will be shift to right. Shift to the right. So when it comes to the function here, it's always going to be in the opposite direction of the move. Fx plus a, it's moving up. If that's plus, it's only when x changes that it will be in the opposite direction, the inverse function. Something that you have to go and learn, and you need to be able to apply that.